So on today's job, this is what we have. Amana unit. And this is probably the most hack job you've ever seen in your life. Check it out. There's no gas. The guy never came back to hook it up. He never answered the phone calls or anything. He never finished his job. So we have that tube, I guess. It's a CSST tubing. It's not even hooked up. He didn't put a flash in, so when it rains, you have all the water going inside. And check it out. Check out that PVC work. It's already damaging the roof. And check out the curb. It's not even under the shingles. Check it out. It's being held by quarter screws, like 1,000 of them. And the house is about maybe like 800 or 1,000 square feet. And this is a 4-ton. A 4-ton for 800 square feet. And they have a 12-inch return or 14. Oh my god, that's crazy. But for today, we're gonna run the gas line up with the black pipe, not this tubing. I don't even think that's code here in California. And what the hell is this? 3/8 or what? 1/2 inch. Okay, and I'll show you guys the inside right now. Okay. Huh?
What do you think so?
Some guy. He left the original cooler duckings. Open up the return. Why you put your hand on? Look at that. For a 4-ton. What is that, like a 14?
Yeah, 14.
Oh, that's crazy.
Look at that.
It's a 20. I know, I've seen it.
So he was going to connect here or what?
I guess. He was going to leave it like that. Hold on. Dang. Fucking hack.
I'll just do it the right way.
Okay, guys. Just when you thought you seen it all, check out this ductwork. Check this out. Oh my gosh. So 14 return. Oh, check it out. So they ran out of silver and they just covered it up with, oh my gosh. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Check it out, guys. Home Depot, Hawaii. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how many. Okay, so we're about to cut this pipe with our new Milwaukee saw. Let's see if this shit works. Oh man. Huh? Hold on. Huh? Okay guys, so I just cut the pipe right here with this Milwaukee saw. It's alright. He's got to charge it before you use it. It was the first time when I used it and it died. But I got enough battery to cut this. So now we're gonna remove this pipe from this T, install that 2-footer here to reduce it 1/2 inch, and then I already opened it. It's just a 14. Yeah. So here's the new gas line ran. Check this out. Our electrical. Not even no freaking wire nuts. It's tape. Same for the thermostat wire. It's crazy. Crazy. Alright, let's finish this up. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. We just ran the PVC to right here. And our flashing is like that because we put the pipe and we forgot to put it under. But I mean, it's way better than before. Now there's no leaks at all. The combustion is are looking good. This is a horrible install. He's gonna want to fix it this coming year, but for now they just want some heat. Hopefully it works good for him. It's so bad.